This is going to be a video tutorial on how to set the Brave browser as your default web browser. I'll be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have the Brave browser opened up now. To set the Brave web browser as your default web browser, first thing you want to do is go up to the upper right hand corner to the 3-bar Hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on that. Now in the pane off to the left hand side here, I am under the Get Started tab. And right in here, Default Browser, make Brave your default browser. I'm going to click on Make Default. And now the Brave web browser is my default web browser. Thanks for watching.